Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Daryl Thompson. Today we're going to take a look at the EGW Writings 2 app on my iPad, and in particular we're going to use the search function to go straight to a Bible reference using the search feature. If you see here on my desktop, in the top right hand corner, you will notice that there is a little magnifying glass. So let's go and click on the magnifying glass there, and underneath you've got the text search entry box. If you've got something there already, you can just click on the little X at the end to delete it, and now we're ready to enter a search item. So say for example I want to go to the book of Revelation. There's a couple of ways that I can do it. If I know the shortened abbreviation for the book of Revelation, I could type REV, but if I didn't know that, I could type out the full book title, and as you can see it takes me directly to Revelation 1. Now if I happen to know the abbreviation of a book, let's say like Psalms, and that's PS, then I could just type PS and it would take me to Psalms. Let's go back to Revelation now, and let's see if we can look up Revelation chapter 14. Now I can either type it two ways. I can type Revelation fully out and then type 14, enter, or I can come back and I can type REV 14 and it will take me to the same place. But what if I want to go directly to a verse? Well, when you type REV always, or Revelation, always make sure you put a space in there and then type the chapter and then place a colon to differentiate for a verse. So if I want to put 14:6, I would do Revelation space 14 colon 6, and then I can hit enter if I have a keyboard on your iPad, or you can tap the little magnifying glass up here. If the virtual keyboard pops up, you would hit go. Alright, so here we are at Revelation 14:6. Now say for example I want to go to another one, so say I want to go to Exodus 20 verse 10. I can type in EX space chapter 20 colon 10, and there I'm taken directly there. So I can navigate anywhere around the Bible using search by entering in the book, the chapter, colon, and then the verse. Now there is another way of navigating the Bible, which you can use by tapping up here in the header. So see where you see Exodus 20. If I tap Exodus 20 up here, you notice that it lists all the books of the Bible. So let's say I'm coming back down to Revelation, and I'm going to go to Revelation 14, and now it takes me directly to Revelation 14. Or I could come back up here, I could jump back up to Psalms, and I could go to Psalms 41, scroll down to Psalm 41, and there I'm taken there. So I can navigate via search or by the nav bar at the top there. Either way, it will work. I hope this short tutorial on navigating Bible references in the EGW Writings 2 app has been beneficial, and it helps you in your daily study. Always go with God and be blessed. Have a nice day.